a support catheter of some sort, like a quick cross or a mini catheter, this is going to be your next step. If that doesn't work and you need something to spin and kind of advance you through so that you can get to that next step, whether it's balloon or arthrectomy, just swap out a wire. This is the type of catheter that can get you there. You're actually spinning, and because of how it's made, it's actually giving you kind of that forward drive. When you torque it, it just pushes it forward.
That corresponds with the direction that your needle's pointing.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you would want to make sure that it's turned anteriorly towards the portal vein, and then you would want to tint up, push up against the vessel so that it's tinting. And when you're ready, you would, in one quick motion, push your needle down and make your puncture.
These look kind of cool. I mean, they look kind of futuristic.
Yeah.
This is nice, but it looks like I was inventing working in my basement.
And you're going to want to advance that wire so you can get the coil into. No, you want to push it.